Well, keeping our mental health in tip top shape this year, it's no joke, Sean. I just read an email from our employer this morning, just making sure that everyone was getting the support they need. And in fact, everyone should not be afraid, rather, to ask for help during this time, especially our seniors. And Senior Care Plus here in the Valley can offer an extra level of assistance.
Absolutely. Here to explain is CJ Bowden. He is the Director of Government Programs over at Hometown Health Senior Care Plus. It's great to have you, my friend. How you doing?
Doing very well. Thank you for having us on
Uh,
today.
So for those who don't understand what Senior Care Plus is, give us the quick overview if you can.
Absolutely. Senior Care Plus is a Medicare Advantage plan that offers parts A, B, and D all combined into one. We're your only local not for profit Medicare Advantage plan, really domiciled right here in the state of Nevada. So when you
Nice.
call or interact with Senior Care Plus, you're going to be talking to a Nevada.
That's awesome. We love that you have that local presence. I mean, there are actually quite a few Medicare plans to choose from. I understand the list has gotten a bit longer. Senior Care Plus is really amazing because you've been available to seniors. I think you understand that this year there are some special needs. How are you helping seniors during the pandemic?
As you said, this year is a completely different year than any other we've seen. With the COVID-19 virus out there, everybody has been sheltering in place. We have orders from local government to stay at home, and we've put in a couple of different things where people can get care without leaving their home. The first is a teledoc benefit that we have. That teledoc benefit, you can talk to a doctor right on your phone, right from the comfort of your own home,
Mhm.
and get your prescriptions filled and get anything that you can get taken care of in urgent
That's fantastic. And
care.
what else
Very
do you have?
important.
We have one that goes even a step further. It's called Dispatch Health. Dispatch Health is an amazing program where a physician's assistant or a nurse practitioner and a medical assistant will come to your house and take care of all kinds of things that an urgent care can do, so you don't have to leave your house and risk exposure. That could be anything from sewing your hand up if you cut yourself while cooking and need stitches, or all the way to administering an IV. So we brought an extra level of care to help you and make sure that you can be comfortable in your own home.
What I would get, because we've all seen the old timey movies where the doctor comes in, he's got the bag, and he's going to like, oh, let me take a
Yeah.
look here. And I've always looked at that and said, why can't that be it? I'd rather do that than wait in a lobby for an hour. Oh my goodness, that's perfect. And there's an
It
opportunity to do
is.
just that.
It is, and that's coming back. The only thing that you have to remember is when you do call Dispatch Health today in the pandemic, it's probably going to scare your neighbors to death because you're going to have two individuals show up in the full white suit, ready to go with a breathing apparatus just in case to make sure that
Okay.
you're safe and that they're safe too.
Yeah.
Right.
Just you have to go and
No,
be like, guys, just cut my hand. It's all good. Sorry.
it
Sorry.
is no joke right now. I tell
No.
you, just navigating leaving the house can be really challenging. So I understand that you guys have adjusted to that. What about some of these extras that happen in people's Medicare plans that can make a huge difference, like prescription drug coverage? What about dental? What about vision?
So those are both great things. Senior Care Plus is very happy to offer dental on every one of the plans we have. Not only just your preventive dental, there you get two clinics per year and x-rays, but we also offer a level of comprehensive dental up to $2,000 for all of our membership. We all know that great oral health goes hand in hand with your physical health. So we want to make sure that everybody has the availability to get the care that they need on a monthly or yearly basis.
I think you
Included with
guys.
that, we also have
Yeah, go ahead.
fitness programs and different things like that, as well as over the counter medications, so that you can get anything that you would need at a drugstore, bandages, wraps, those types of things, all sent to you at your own home without having to go out.
See, that's so simple. That's fantastic. And what I was gonna say is
Mm.
I'm glad that you connect dental to it because I think so many people or so many different plans say, oh no, dental, oh that's something different. That's not a part of your body. That's not a part of your health. That's something totally vision. Oh, that's totally different. That's another whole thing. It's so silly. The fact that
We,
it is so important to have dental to be a part of that.
it is. We really need to look at the body as a whole and make sure that we take care of your whole body. And that's what Senior Care Plus is here to do, along with our partners, CareMore Health and P3, to make sure that you have entire body care and that you can live the best life that you have.
No question
We've
about it.
really enjoyed interviewing the doctors from P3 here in town. That's really, been an incredible place that we've watched grow over the last year or two. And CJ, lastly, I just realized it's December 3rd, so time is kind of the essence.
It is, if you want to make a decision on your Medicare Advantage plan, you got to do it by December 7th.
Get moving. And it's
Come
great,
on.
great getting a chance to talk to you. Pesky is actually doing his enrollment right now.
That's Sean's dog.
CJ, it's great having you, my friend. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
All right, listen, very, very simple. If you want to get information on Senior Care Plus, you go to seniorcareplus.com. It's right there on your screen. You could also call the number you see on your screen as well. Hometown Health and Senior Care Plus, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.